Hey guys, Ash here from hashtag and welcome to my channel. There are lots of rumors about the Huawei P30 Pro last few weeks, but today here under report that there is no headphone jack in Huawei P30 Pro, which was very disappointment for Huawei fans. But it's interesting that the Huawei P30 has this feature. But in the P30 Pro, they include a IR blaster, which was used in some Xiaomi device to control televisions. So this leak is same as the last some rumors, which means there is a small notch at the top of the screen and there is a small slim bezel. Huawei had quad camera setup like S10 5G. Huawei included 5x lossless zoom setup in the Huawei P30 Pro. It is going to be very great for professional photographer as well as the Huawei users. Other rumors suggest that there is a Huawei include in-display fingerprint sensor on the both device, but it is not confirmed that it is been optical or the ultrasonic. If it is ultrasonic, it is going to be very great. The new flagship offering from Huawei is expected powered by the same 7nm Kirin 980 processor that is powered in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Huawei going to announce this both phone on the March 26 at the Paris. Anyway, let us wait for more rumors before the launch. What do you think about the today's topic? Let me know your thought about this topic in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure subscribe this channel for new tech updates and news. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'm Ashkar from Vlog. Peace out.